Hello friends, if you have issues like paper jamming here in the ADF module of LEXMARK MX410, maybe you need to replace the pickup rollers and the separation. These are the pickup rollers and the path separation roller. So, how to replace them? First, we will replace this module, the pickup module, using a small flat screwdriver. Look here. The same on the other side. Here. And we have to take it out. That's it. If you have already a module, you can just put the new module here in the reverse order. This is our module. Now, if you don't have the whole module, you can try to replace only these rubbers, also to the separation path. I have these rubbers. I have one for separation and two for the pickup module. For this, how to replace them? We have to take out this part. How? With a flat screwdriver. Be careful, because here we have look. Don't lose them. Now with a sharp knife you can cut off the old rubber. Gently, carefully. And put the new rubber in. Now assemble the module. And we are ready. Now for this module, take out these. Now we have to take out here one 2. Now just pull, and we have to take out this. And take out this part. Now be careful, because here we have the same metal parts. Now, with knife, we have to cut off this rubber too. And put in the new rubber. Yes, we are okay. Now reassemble this part. And put it in. That's it. Now, after we have put it in here, we will reassemble this. And now we will put these here. And the last thing we will do is to assemble it. And now we have only to put these on, and we are ready. Now I'm going to show you how to replace the separation pad roller again. Now this is our separation roller pad. We have to take it out. How? Just push the two sides and pick it up. This is our roller. This is our roller. How to take this rubber pad out with a small flat screwdriver. From the one side and from the other side. Now we have to take these metal parts out. One, and other. And we have to push it out. That's it. And we have to take this rubber out and place the new one in. Carefully. This is our new rubber. Now we are ready. That's it. Now we have to put back these metal parts. And the other side too. And again these. And this. And in reverse order, we need to put them back in the device. And that's it. Thank you and good luck.